guys, my name is Priyanka and today I'm going to show you the latest addition to my home decor. It is the soothing night lamp from ChocoZone. It emits various colors and has 360-degree projection of the moon and the stars. This projector has 3 working modes. Mode A powers the light on and off. Mode B cycles through color options and turns on blue or purple stars over the yellow. Mode C turns on rotating motion option and makes the stars and moon spin on the ceiling and wall. Constructed with a removable white dome, this light can function as a lamp. Simply plug it in with a USB cable or 4 AAA batteries and you're good to go. I love small and quirky pieces like these that add character to the room. This piece is also a great gift for someone who is setting up their home or a decorating enthusiast like myself.